Sadly, no trains today, but it is very, very windy. I just caught that signal right there, and this one shaking from the wind. See if he'll do it again here. Sorry, it's not shaking. No, my camera caught that, but it is shaking. It's like near 20 degrees out here, I do believe. Here, there at 30. Not ideal. Well, the gate's starting to wiggle now. Hopefully I caught that. I wonder what that sound was for a second. Well, the signal shaking again with the gate. The other side's shaking not as much. Probably see it faintly. The gate moving. This one is shaking the most. By that right there, the tree crews that was blocking the road that one day. That gate's actually smacking the support. Ooh, this signal's not making some really good noises right now. Pretty sure you heard that unless the wind was blocking it out. But anyway, I meant to say. But anyway, what I really meant to say. I'm getting ready to go because my fingers are like actually starting to turn red because of the temperatures out here. So yeah, that'll do it for this video, y'all. I hope I caught that. In case I didn't, I'll actually stay here for one more round of it. We're getting another blast of wind. See the branches moving to that one tree. Oh. Hopefully I caught it that time. Feet started to shake again. Yeah, it means this one's probably about to do it too. The other side's starting to shake again. I'm sure my camera's actually faced upright this time. Oh, signal's starting to shake again. A little bit. Alright, I'm going to call off here because fingers are pretty much